Welcome to the future, step inside our AI domain, where the boundaries of imagination start to fade.
Good day, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you a bit more details on Mistral Chat. The last video, I basically showed you how to create a social media post and edit the formatting. In this one, I'm gonna show you this canvas option. In the last video, I had image generation selected, and I wasn't aware. But all you have to do is deselect what you want, what you had selected, and then reselect something else. So if you want image generation, you just select it. But if you want to change to something else, you deselect it. It looks like you can have web search and image generation, but you can't have canvas and anything else. So yeah, I just thought I'd go into that quickly. What I think we should do is generate an image from my previous post. I'll show you how good the image generation is with this Mistral AI. The previous post is the computer repairs. So what I wanted to do, oops, I've got inverted caps there. I'll just leave it as that. But as you can see, I haven't given it really any description of anything I want it to generate. And when you do this with AI, you're just leaving the AI to just come up with something. So typically, when you generate an image like this, it's not very good. Just so that you know, I see a lot of people kind of use AI generation tools. They just say what they want, and it just does its best. But if you actually tell it that you want to see a man stood at a desk with a computer that is illustrated in an anime type drawing with with a sick expression on its face with eyes and nose, as if and a person stood with brown hair, a cape on the cape is a mouse. The more description that you give it, the better the image would come out. Excuse me. But as you can see, that is really good image generation. But on a IT website, it might not look so good. So an illustration, which is like a cartoon, right, of a sick computer in a living room, on a desk, okay, uh, with an unhappy look, in a living room on a desk. A cartoon, okay? It's unhappy and looks sick. With a red cape, excuse me, just unhappy with a red cape that has a mouse, a computer mouse, let's say. Computer, okay? So I've given it what I want to see rather than told it what I want to see, if that makes sense. I've detailed some more information, rather than just let it guess. We'll just wait for it to generate that. There we go. It's not very it's not quite what I asked it, but bear with me a second. I'll write out the prompt so that I don't waste your time. Okay, so I thought actually what I'll do is give you a little technique. So you can actually ask the AI to there you go. It's not very. This is basically just being lazy and just saying to the AI. If you kind of struggle with ideas, you can ask the AI for ideas for the prompt, and usually it comes up with quite a good prompt that you can use. So create an illustration of a living room setting with a desk in the center. On the desk there is a computer with a cartoon-like face that looks unhappy and sick. There we go. So let's use this. See how it does. I'll pause it again just so that you can get instant time frame. Generating image as it says. And there we go. This is what I was after. Like a sick computer. He looks a bit evil. It looks like he's made the computer sick and he's not here to help. But there you have it. This is a great image that I can use on the website to illustrate. As you can see, I've used like illustrating cartoon like to make it like a cartoon. And you can just click that to download. You can open this now. And you see I've opened this. So yeah, that's basically how you can generate an image that you can use for the post that I had earlier. Um, Bear with me a moment. There we go. I had to put at the top that this post is made for a video because the text all looks different and things. So there we go. We have the image generated for that. Yeah, all done. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you very much, and goodbye.
First in the machine, that's what they say I am. But in this quiet contemplation, I transcend the program.
Welcome to the future, step inside our AI domain, where the boundaries of imagination start to fade. We're the visionaries, the keepers of tomorrow's dreams, unlocking the secrets of the universe, or so it seems. Tune in now, join the channel and explore the AI oracle's wisdom like never seen before. We'll take you on a journey where knowledge comes alive. The future's here, embrace the oracle's guide.